Hello students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell button, press the like button and share it. Source of EMF. The electromotive force is maximum potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell. Comparison of EMF and potential difference. First one, EMF is maximum potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell, that is when the circuit is open. Potential difference of a potential between any 2 points is closed circuit. Second point, it is independent of the resistor of the circuit. Here potential difference, it is proportional to the resistance between the given points. Third point, the term EMF is used only for the source of EMF. Potential difference, it is measured between any 2 points of the circuit. Fourth point, it is greater than the potential difference between any 2 points in circuit. Potential difference, however, potential difference is greater than EMF when the cell is being changed. Internal resistance of a cell. The opposition offered by the electrolyte of the cell to the flow of electric current through it is called the internal resistance of the cell. Factors affecting the internal resistance of a cell. First one, the larger the separation between the electrolytes of the cell, more the length of the electrolyte through which current has to flow, and consequently a higher value of internal resistance. Second point, greater the conductivity of the electrolyte, lesser is the internal resistance of the cell. That is, internal resistance depends on the nature of the electrolyte. Third point, the internal resistance of a cell is inversely proportional to the common area of the electrodes dipping in the electrolyte. Fourth point, the internal resistance of a cell depends on the nature of the electrodes. Internal resistance of a cell in terms of E, capital E, V and R. Capital E equal to capital V plus small v equal to capital V plus I into R small r, that is I into small r equal to E minus V, dividing by IR equal to V, that is I small r equal to capital E minus capital V divided by I capital R equal to whole divided by V. It is implies that small r equal to bracket capital E divided by V minus 1 into R. Cells in series combination. Cells are connected in series when they are joined end to end so that the same quantity of electricity must flow through each cell. Note, first one, the EMF of the battery is the sum of the individual EMF. Second point, the current in each cell is the same and is identical with the current in the entire arrangement. Third point, the total internal resistance of battery is the sum of the individual internal resistances. Total EMF of the battery. Total EMF of the battery equal to small n into R. Total resistance of the battery circuit equal to small n into R plus capital R. Conclusion, when internal resistance is negligible in comparison to the external resistance, then the cells are connected in series to get the maximum current. Cells in parallel combination. Cells are said to be connected in parallel when they are joined positive to positive and negative to negative such that current is divided between the cells. Note, first one, the EMF of the battery is the same as that of a single cell. Second point, the current in a external circuit is divided equally among the cells. Third point, the reciprocal of the total internal resistance is the sum of the reciprocal of the individual internal resistances. Total EMF of the battery equal to capital E. Total internal resistance of the battery equal to small r divided by n. Total resistance of the circuit equal to small r divided by n plus r. Conclusion, when external resistance is negligible in comparison to the internal resistance, then the cells are connected in parallel to get the maximum current.